What if Toyota has just made a move that could reshape the entire electric vehicle industry? For years, Tesla was considered the leader of the electric vehicles. BYD quickly became one of the world's fastest-growing EV companies, and many people believe Toyota had waited too long to enter the electric revolution. But now Toyota is making a move that has drawn attention across the automotive industry. A new Toyota electric vehicle is being discussed because of one surprising factor: its expected affordable price. A price that could put electric cars within reach of millions of people who previously could not afford them. But the real story goes beyond the price. The bigger question is, how did Toyota, one of the world's largest automakers, manage to develop an affordable EV while other companies are still dealing with high battery costs? What technology is behind this vehicle? Can Toyota challenge Tesla's technology advantage? Can it compete with BYD's low-cost EV strategy? And most importantly, could this be the electric car that finally convinces millions of everyday drivers to leave gasoline vehicles behind? Because the future of EVs will not be decided only by luxury models or expensive technology. The real winner could be the company that delivers a dependable, affordable electric car for ordinary families. And Toyota believes it can do exactly that. Before we understand this new EV, we first need to look at why Toyota stayed away from fully electric vehicles for so long. While Tesla was building its electric empire, Toyota was following a completely different strategy. The company invested heavily in hybrid vehicles instead of going all in on battery electric cars. At the time, Toyota believed the world was not ready for a complete EV transition. And there were real reasons for that decision. Many countries lacked enough charging stations. Battery technology remained expensive. Raw materials were difficult to manage. And many customers were still concerned about range anxiety. Toyota believed hybrid vehicles could offer a practical middle ground, a vehicle that could lower fuel usage without depending completely on charging infrastructure. For decades, this strategy worked. Toyota became known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and vehicles capable of lasting for hundreds of thousands of miles. But then something changed. The EV market began moving faster than anyone expected. Tesla changed what customers expected from electric vehicles. BYD began producing affordable EVs at enormous scale. Governments around the world started encouraging EV adoption. And suddenly, the question became, was Toyota's cautious strategy actually turning into a weakness? The company recognized that transportation's future was changing. Ignoring the EV market was no longer an option. That is why Toyota began increasing its investment in electric vehicles, battery technology, and new platforms. And now, the company wants to enter the EV competition with one major advantage: trust. Because when people purchase an electric car, they are not just buying technology. They are buying confidence. They want to know, will this battery last? Will the vehicle remain reliable after years of use? Will maintenance be affordable? And this is where Toyota believes it has an advantage, because millions of drivers around the world already trust the Toyota name. But the question remains, can trust alone overcome Tesla's technology and BYD's pricing power? To understand that, we need to take a closer look at Toyota's new EV strategy. Now, the biggest question is, what exactly makes Toyota's new affordable EV different from the thousands of electric vehicles already entering the market? Because building an electric car is no longer the biggest challenge. Almost every major company can produce an EV. The real challenge is creating an EV that people actually want to buy. A vehicle that is affordable, a vehicle that is practical, a vehicle that families can rely on for years. And this is where Toyota is trying to build its advantage. The new Toyota electric SUV concept, often connected with the urban cruiser EV name, is designed around one simple idea: making electric driving easier for everyday customers. Instead of developing a vehicle only for technology enthusiasts, Toyota appears to be targeting people purchasing their first electric car. And that changes the entire strategy, because most first-time EV buyers are not asking how many futuristic features does this car have. They are asking, can I depend on this car every day? Can I travel without worrying about charging? Will this car save me money? And Toyota understands that mindset. The design follows the growing popularity of compact SUVs. Across the world, customers are moving away from traditional sedans and choosing SUVs because they provide more space, better visibility, and a higher driving position. Toyota is using this trend to create an electric SUV that feels familiar. It does not look like a science fiction vehicle. It looks like something an average family could realistically own. And that could become one of its biggest strengths because many people are interested in EVs, but they remain uncomfortable with change. They do not want a car that feels completely unfamiliar. They want the advantages of electric technology while keeping the comfort and practicality they already know. Inside the vehicle, Toyota's focus appears to be more about usefulness than unnecessary complexity. A good electric car needs more than a large screen. It needs comfortable seats, sufficient storage, simple controls, safety, technology, and a driving experience that feels natural. This is where Toyota's experience building everyday vehicles becomes important. For decades, the company has studied what customers actually need from a car, and now it is bringing that knowledge into the EV market. But the biggest question surrounding any electric vehicle is always the same: the battery. Because the battery is the heart of an EV. It determines the price, it determines the range, and it determines whether customers feel confident about buying the vehicle. Toyota understands this better than most. That is why the company is putting major attention into battery development. The goal is straightforward: build batteries that cost less, are safer, last longer, and deliver enough range for everyday drivers. According to available information, Toyota's affordable EV strategy focuses on giving customers practical driving range instead of chasing unrealistic numbers. Because in everyday life, most people do not drive hundreds of miles every day. Most daily trips are simple: going to work, taking children to school, shopping, and handling normal errands. For these drivers, an EV that can comfortably manage daily travel matters more than having the largest battery available. This is where Toyota believes it can bring in millions of customers. Vehicle that can charge at home overnight, a vehicle that lowers fuel costs, a vehicle that needs less traditional maintenance, and a vehicle supported by one of the strongest automotive brands in the world. But another major battle is taking place: the price war. For years, electric cars were viewed as expensive. Many customers wanted an EV but simply could not justify the price. That is why a price around the $23,000 range is attracting so much attention. Because if electric vehicles become affordable, the entire market could shift. The next generation of EV buyers will not only be wealthy technology enthusiasts, they will be everyday drivers, families, workers, people searching for more affordable transportation. And that is exactly the market Toyota wants. However, price by itself will not guarantee success. A cheap EV still needs quality. Customers expect reliability. They want good service. They want a company that will support them for years after the purchase. And this is where Toyota enters the competition with a powerful reputation. But now comes the biggest challenge. Can Toyota truly compete against Tesla and BYD? Tesla has something Toyota cannot easily reproduce: a strong technology image, a huge charging network, software experience, and a loyal customer base. For many people, Tesla represents the future of automobiles. The brand itself has become a symbol of innovation. Then, there is BYD, a company that has expanded rapidly because of its ability to produce affordable electric vehicles. One of BYD's biggest advantages is controlling more parts of the EV supply chain, especially battery production. This allows the company to compete aggressively on price. So Toyota is entering a battlefield where two powerful competitors already have major advantages. But Toyota brings something different: a reputation built over decades. Millions of customers already believe Toyota vehicles are dependable. And in the EV market, trust could become one of the most valuable advantages. Because purchasing an electric car is not simply about technology. It is about believing that the vehicle will continue performing years later. And that is the exact space where Toyota wants to win. But there is one thing that sets Toyota apart from many other automakers. Its manufacturing strength. Because in the automotive world, creating an excellent vehicle is only half the battle. The real challenge is producing millions of vehicles with consistent quality, controlling costs, and getting them to customers around the world. And this is where Toyota has spent decades building an advantage. Toyota is not simply a car manufacturer. It is one of the largest automotive systems on Earth. The company has factories, suppliers, and production networks spread across several continents. From Japan to the United States, from Asia to Europe, Toyota has built a system that allows it to manufacture vehicles on a massive scale. This matters because the future of electric vehicles will not depend only on who develops the best technology. It will depend on who can make that technology affordable for millions of people. A company may create an incredible EV, but if it cannot produce enough vehicles at the right price, cannot dominate the market. Toyota understands this. For decades, the company has developed one of the most respected production systems in the world. The Toyota production system became well known for its focus on efficiency, cutting waste, and maintaining quality throughout every stage. This same experience could become extremely valuable in the EV era because electric vehicles require a completely different supply chain. Instead of focusing mainly on engines and mechanical components, companies now have to master batteries, software, electronics, and advanced materials. And the biggest challenge of all is the battery. The battery is normally one of the most expensive components of an electric vehicle. The companies can lower battery costs, they can lower the final price of the car. And that is why Toyota is investing heavily in battery technology. The company is working to improve existing battery systems while also developing next-generation technologies. One technology that has generated enormous excitement is solid-state batteries. Many experts believe solid-state batteries could represent a major breakthrough because they have the potential to provide greater energy density, faster charging, and improved performance. If Toyota can successfully develop this technology at large scale, it could change the EV competition. Because the company would not only be competing with lower-priced cars, it could be competing with better technology. However, Toyota is not relying only on future inventions. The company is also expanding its current EV strategy. The goal is not to launch one electric vehicle and stop. The plan is to build a complete EV lineup. Small city cars, family SUVs, premium electric vehicles, and different choices for different customers. Because Toyota understands something important. Not every driver wants the same thing. Someone living in a large city may want a small, affordable EV. A family may prefer a larger electric SUV. A luxury buyer may want advanced technology. The company wants to serve all of these markets. And this global strategy could become a major advantage because some countries are transitioning toward EVs faster than others. Markets across North America, Europe, China, India, Southeast Asia, and other regions all have different customer needs. Toyota is working to prepare for all of them. But the biggest question remains, can Toyota actually transform the EV market? The answer depends on one thing. Can Toyota combine its biggest strengths with the speed of the electric revolution? Because the EV industry is moving rapidly. Tesla changed how people think about cars. BYD changed the concept of affordable EV production. Chinese manufacturers are increasing competition every year. Toyota cannot simply depend on its previous success. It must prove that its future technology can compete. But if Toyota succeeds, the impact could be enormous. Imagine a world where electric vehicles are not just for early adopters or wealthy buyers. Imagine millions of ordinary families choosing EVs because they are affordable, dependable, and practical. That is the market Toyota is pursuing. The company believes the future of transportation will not be controlled by one single technology. That is why Toyota continues to explore several paths: battery electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, plug-in hybrids, and hydrogen technology. The company's strategy is flexibility. Instead of putting everything behind one option, Toyota wants to remain prepared for different possibilities. And that approach could either become its biggest strength or its biggest risk, because the EV race is not slowing down. The companies that move fastest may gain the advantage. The companies that understand customers best may survive the longest. And Toyota believes its combination of reliability, manufacturing experience, and future battery technology can give it a chance. So, will Toyota's affordable EV become a true challenger to Tesla and BYD? Only time will reveal the answer. But one thing is clear: the electric vehicle war has entered a new stage, and Toyota is no longer watching from the sidelines. It is ready to fight for the future of cars. If this transformation succeeds, the biggest change may not be that Toyota created another electric vehicle. The biggest change could be that electric cars finally become available for everyone.